Hey there, construction comedy fans! Welcome to my YouTube channel, the ultimate hotspot for the most side-splitting moments from the wild world of hard hats and heavy machinery. We've scoured the internet and social media to bring you clips so funny you'll be laughing harder than a jackhammer on overdrive. From epic fails to moments that make you go, "Wait, what?" We've got it all. Tune in daily for a fresh dose of hilarity. Hit that subscribe button and drop a comment with your own crazy construction stories. Let's get this laughter rolling.
Yo, you Chuckle Crusaders! How wild were those construction moments? Did my crew of worksite clowns have you howling so loud you startled your neighbors? Hang tight, the next clips are gonna be funnier than a cement mixer moonlighting as a comedian. Expect workers tripping over their own egos and tools staging their own prank show. Ditch us now, and you'll regret it like missing the best punchline ever. Ha ha! Smash subscribe, share your wildest reactions, and let's keep this comedy site buzzing.
And we're done! If you didn't laugh, you're probably a statue. Thanks for sticking with me. 7 p.m. tomorrow. Let's do it again!